Here's a question we get asked constantly. Will a lift actually increase my home's value? The answer might surprise you. I'm James from Velocity Home Lifts, and after helping hundreds of Australian families, here's what we've learned about lifts and property values. Broader market appeal. Lifts attract families, retirees and forward-thinking buyers. More interested buyers often means better offers. Quality recognition. When buyers see Australian-made quality, like our Compass with its 25-year motor and gearbox warranty, they understand they're looking at premium features. Future-ready homes. Properties equipped for long-term living command premium prices, especially in competitive markets. Our lifts are designed to enhance your home's appeal, not advertise mobility needs. Both the Compass and Iconic integrate seamlessly into Australian homes. Want to understand what a lift could mean for your property value? Let's have a conversation about your specific home and situation.